Hi guys, look at this question. The question is 2 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 8 to the power x is equals to 155. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. We can copy this 2 to the power x as it is. This 4 can be represented as a square of 2 whole to the power x plus 2 is a cube of 8. 8 is a cube of 2 is equals to 155. Since a to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power m whole to the power m. So you can write this as 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x whole square plus 2 to the power x whole cube is equals to 155. Now let's assume that y is equals to 2 to the power x. So substituting y in the equation, you get here y plus y square plus y cube is equals to 155. Now you can write this as y cube plus y square plus y. Now moving this 155 on left hand side. Further, you can write this y cube. This y square can be written as minus 5y square plus 6y square, and this y can be written as minus 30y plus 31y minus 155 is equals to 0. Now out of these two terms, taking out y square common, so here you get 5y minus 5 plus taking out 6y common in these two terms. Further, taking out 31 common, you get y minus 5 is equals to 0. Out of these three terms, take out y minus 5. So here you get y square plus 6y plus 31 is equals to 0. Now this implies y minus 5 is equals to 0 and y square plus 6y plus 31 is equals to 0. Further, you can write it as y is equals to 5. Since we assume that y is equals to 2x, replacing this with 2x, further take log on both sides. So here you get dividing by log of 2 on both sides. In order to remove log of 2 from left hand side, this term gets cancelled. So x is equals to log of 5 upon log of 2. Now putting the values from the calculator, we have log of 5 as 0.6989 upon 0.3010, and after simplification we get x is equals to 2.322. So this is one solution of x. Now let's work on this quadratic equation. As you know that the standard, comparing this with the standard quadratic equation, we get a is 1, b is 6 and c is 31. Now putting the values in the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here b is 6, it's 6 square minus 4 into 1 to 31 upon 2 into 1. Further, y is equals to minus 6 plus minus, this is 36 minus 1 to 4 upon 2, or you can write it as y is equals to minus 6 plus minus under root minus 88 upon 2. Further, we have y is equals to minus 6 plus minus under root 88 into under root minus 1 upon 2, or you can say that y is equals to minus 6 plus minus under root 88i upon 2. Since y is equals to 2 to the power x, so 2 to the power x is equals to minus 6 plus minus under root 8I upon 2. Here x can be evaluated by taking log, but the log of complex numbers is not possible, so we reject this solution of x. So the solution of x for this question is x is equals to 2.322, and this is our required answer.